Hey guys, it's Anne the Pup, and I'm gonna show you a vlog of all the weird things that happen in my life.
Kayla, time to get up.
I don't want to get up.
Your cat's in the microwave.
Go away. Please. Hi. I'm Kayla and I do nothing with my life. California girls were undeniable. Luna, don't eat that. Why are you looking at me like that? Don't give me attitude. Stop eating my Kleenexes, you creep.
Stop eating my Kleenexes, you creep.
Let's kill tonight. Kill tonight.
So I walk downstairs and what do I see? A fridge in my foyer. This is not a kitchen. This is not okay. Petite Cookie and I are currently going to go somewhere, and I'm dressed as Batman. She as Superman. We're riding the bike. Look how cute she looks. Leave a like if you have a fridge in your foyer, or if you sing as great as me in the shower. I don't know if that's possible. I make videos every Monday and Wednesday. Oh yeah, I'd love for you to come and join the Pup Links. I really don't care what you do. Peace out, Pup Links.